Hey, what's up mga pre? Another day at another game na naman ang ating pag-uusapan at bagong-bago pa nga to guys kasi magkakaroon pa sila ng early access at meron nga sila ditong loyalty program. Yang loyalty program na yan guys, pag once na nakapasok tayo, nakapag pre-register, ay magkakaroon po sila ng play to airdrop dyan. So habang tayo ay nag-grind ay may posible tayong makakakuha ng kanilang token. At syempre sa mga early access, yun yung pinaka the best na makukuha natin as a reward, as a grinder sa kanilang game. So walang iba kundi itong Real Go guys. So bago tayo magpapatuloy dyan, reminders lang, this video is not a financial advice. Tayo lang po ay nagbibigay idea kung ano pa yung pwede nating i-grind this 2026 guys. So hindi po tayo sponsored. At syempre bago tayo magpapatuloy dyan, intro muna tayo. So dito tayo sa kanilang Real Go Twitter account. So sabi nga nila dito guys, pinagsama na ang AR plus AI plus Web3 game. So ina-unlock daw dito ang meme adventure with friends, earn as you play in an LBS social playground. So guys, yung kanilang loyalty program, meron na nga daw sila ditong over 7,000 na mga players na nag-pre-register dun sa kanilang platform. And then dito guys, yung kanilang loyalty points as a pre-registration, we will be launching loyalty points program season 1 very soon guys, no? Please make sure you complete the pre-registration so your in-game time can be converted into points which will be entitled to RT token before TGE. So punta na tayo dun sa kanilang website or platform guys. So ibababa ko na lang dyan sa description box yung kanilang link or yung aking referral link guys, no? So wala po akong makukuhang pera po dyan guys pag kayo ay nag-register sa ating referral link. Yung makukuha ko lang dyan is mga points lang din na pwedeng i-convert into token as a reward na din. So, nasa sa inyo yan guys, no? Kung gagamitin nyo yung link po natin. So, loyalty program starts in 4 days, 9 hours, and 8 minutes. So, bukas yan guys, pag-upload nito yung video, ay mababawasan pa to, no? So, click lang natin itong login and then ang kailangan po natin dito is email address or Googly account. So, pwede naman tayo ditong mag-login automatic sa ating Apple ID, Twitter, at saka Googly account. So, click lang natin ito by clicking Get My Welcome Rewards. You agree to our terms and conditions. So, privacy and policy na din yan. So, click lang natin itong Googly and then mamimili po tayo kung anong account yung ating ilalagin po dito. So, click po natin yung desired po natin na account guys and then continue lang po tayo. And then login successfully na po yan. So, click nyo lang dito guys kung kayo ay sasali dito sa kanilang pre-registration. So, sabi nga nila dito sa kanilang loyalty reflects as a player long-term engagement and support within the game ecosystem. Player can increase their loyalty through daily check-in, active gameplay, inviting friends, and other end-game interaction. Daily loyalty value, expected points, actually points earned. So please note that inactivity or extended periods of absence may be reduce a player loyalty score. So mababawasan po yung ating score pag tayo po ay hindi makakapag-check-in. So earn points will be used for token airdrops. So yun na yung sinasabi natin na magkakaroon po dito ng airdrops guys with claiming plan to be enabled before TGE in accordance with platform rules. So, Season 1 of the loyalty program is limited to pre-registered players only. So, kung wala pa kayo guys and then gusto nyo yung game na to, ay mag-pre-register na po kayo. So, players na hindi po nakakapag-pre-register dito is hindi po eligible na makapag-earn ng points nila and rewards during Season 1. So, successful mga nag-pre-register po dito does not guaranteed participation or immediate points reward. So kailangan pa natin dito mag-grind din guys no sa kanilang game. So after daw ng loyalty program officially launches, players must complete verification and required endgame interaction for points rewards to be activated dito guys. So meron pa tayong mga gagawin bago natin ma-convert into token din nila. So sabi ng team daw dito guys, reserves the right to launch the program earlier than scheduled subject to the number of pre-registration and overall community feedback. So pag once daw guys na nag-maximum na yung kanilang players, ay mamadaliin daw nila itong ilo-launch. And then hope so guys, lahat tayo na mag-grind dito ay makakakuha nga. Kahit maliit man yan guys, libre naman yung kanilang game, ay happy na po din tayo dyan. So dito sa kanilang platform ay magkakaroon pa ito ng marketplace, itong kanilang loyalty program, mini games, meme stake, so pwedeng staking, and then yung ating wallets assets guys, and then ambassadors. So tayo po ay napili ditong ambassador sa RealGo, and then ito po yung ating profile center, pwede ninyong i-open yan, and then soon daw dito guys ay magkakaroon pa sila ng mining. So marami pang i-update patungkol dito sa game na to. So yun lang naman yung ating pag-uusapan for today's video patungkol dito sa RealGo. Bago natin tatapusin ang video na to, kung bago ka lang dito sa ating YouTube channel, ay huwag kalimutang mag-click subscribe and click the notification bell para ma-update at ma-aware ka also sa ating mga bagong i-upload na video. So this is me, Dong Ayan TV. Mag-ingat tayong lahat. Enjoy the day and bye-bye!
Pag pumasok si Dong lahat na papabuntong hininga. Walang kinakatakutan yan ng kanyang linya. Lahat ng trash talk kanya-kanyang tira. Pero di siya natitina kahit